Nikola Tesla was a brilliant inventor and visionary. He is best known for his contributions to alternating current or AC electricity. However, Tesla's interests extended far beyond Earth. He was deeply fascinated by the possibility of communicating with other planets. Tesla believed that radio waves could be used to send and receive signals across vast distances. In 1899, Tesla built a powerful radio transmitter in Colorado Springs. He used it to conduct a series of groundbreaking experiments. During these experiments, Tesla detected unusual radio signals. He believed these signals might be coming from intelligent beings on Mars. Tesla's announcement caused quite a sensation at the time. However, modern scientists have a different explanation for Tesla's signals. They believe the signals were likely caused by natural phenomena. These could include lightning strikes or solar flares. It's also possible that the signals were simply artifacts of Tesla's equipment. Tesla's belief in the possibility of extraterrestrial communication was ahead of its time. It continues to inspire scientists and the public today. While his specific claims about Martian signals have been debunked, Tesla's pioneering work laid the foundation for modern radio astronomy. Nikola Tesla's 1899 experiments with radio signals captivated the world. He reported receiving unusual signals that he believed originated from Mars. This bold claim sparked widespread interest in the possibility of extraterrestrial communication. However, over time, Tesla's interpretation of these signals has been challenged by scientific scrutiny. Modern scientists attribute the signals Tesla detected to more earthly origins. They propose that natural phenomena like lightning strikes or solar flares were the likely culprits. These events are known to produce electromagnetic disturbances that could have interfered with Tesla's sensitive equipment. Another plausible explanation is that the signals were artifacts produced by the radio transmitter itself. Despite these alternative explanations, Tesla remained convinced of his initial interpretation. He continued to advocate for the possibility of communicating with other planets throughout his life. While his Martian communication theory has been largely dismissed by the scientific community, Tesla's pioneering work in radio technology paved the way for future advancements in the field. His experiments demonstrated the potential of radio waves for long-distance communication. This laid the groundwork for the development of radio astronomy, which uses radio waves to study celestial objects and phenomena. Although Tesla's specific claims about extraterrestrial signals may not have stood the test of time, his visionary ideas continue to inspire scientific exploration and our fascination with the cosmos. The Black Knight satellite is a popular subject in the realm of conspiracy theories. Believers claim it is an alien spacecraft that has been orbiting Earth for centuries. The story is often linked to Nikola Tesla and his detection of unusual radio signals. However, there is no credible scientific evidence to support the existence of the Black Knight satellite. The origins of the Black Knight myth can be traced back to a series of unrelated events and misinterpretations. One such event is the observation of long-delayed radio echoes by Jürgen Hals in the 1920s. These echoes were attributed by some to a mysterious object in orbit, which later became associated with the Black Knight. However, there is no scientific consensus on the cause of these echoes, and they are not considered evidence of an alien satellite. Another piece of so-called evidence often cited by proponents of the Black Knight theory are photos taken during the STS-88 space shuttle mission in 1998. These photos show a black object near the shuttle, which conspiracy theorists claim is the elusive satellite. However, NASA has clearly identified the object as a thermal blanket that became detached during the mission. The Black Knight satellite story highlights the human tendency to find patterns and create narratives, even in the absence of concrete evidence. While it's important to maintain a sense of wonder and curiosity about the universe, it's equally crucial to approach such claims with a healthy dose of skepticism and rely on verified scientific information. In the 1920s, Norwegian engineer Jürgen Hals made a peculiar observation while experimenting with radio transmissions. He detected long-delayed echoes, meaning the signals were returning much later than expected. This phenomenon, known as long-delayed echoes or LDEs, puzzled scientists at the time and fueled speculation about their origin. Some theories proposed that these echoes were caused by unusual atmospheric conditions or reflections from distant mountains. However, the mystery of LDEs captured the imagination of those seeking more extraordinary explanations. Some speculated that these echoes were evidence of a secret artificial satellite orbiting Earth, a notion that would later become intertwined with the Black Knight legend. The idea was that this unidentified object was intercepting radio signals and transmitting them back after a delay. While the true nature of LDEs remains a subject of debate and ongoing research, the scientific community generally attributes them to natural phenomena. One leading theory suggests that LDEs are caused by radio signals being trapped and reflected by plasma structures in Earth's magnetosphere. These structures can act as natural waveguides, causing the signals to travel along curved paths and arrive back at the receiver after a significant delay. Despite the lack of concrete evidence linking LDEs to an alien satellite, the connection persists in conspiracy circles. The Black Knight theory often incorporates LDEs as proof of the satellite's existence, claiming it deliberately transmits these echoes. However, this interpretation lacks any scientific basis. While LDEs remain an intriguing area of study, they should not be misconstrued as evidence of extraterrestrial technology or the Black Knight satellite. In 1973, Scottish author and amateur astronomer Duncan Lunan made headlines by proposing a controversial interpretation of long-delayed radio echoes. Lunan analyzed data from Norwegian scientist Carl Stormer's LDE experiments in the 1920s. He claimed to have deciphered a pattern in the delays, suggesting they represented a coded message from an alien probe orbiting the moon. Lunan's interpretation involved plotting the echo delays on a graph and connecting them in a specific order. He asserted that this process revealed a star map, which he believed pointed to Epsilon Bootis, a binary star system in the constellation Bootes. This, he claimed, was evidence that the source of the LDEs was an alien probe that had originated from a planet orbiting Epsilon Bootis. While Lunan's theory garnered significant media attention and fueled public fascination with the possibility of extraterrestrial contact, it was met with skepticism from the scientific community. Critics pointed out flaws in his methodology and the subjective nature of his interpretation. Lunan himself later acknowledged errors in his original analysis and distanced himself from the Black Knight myth, which had begun to incorporate his theory as evidence. Despite retracting his initial claims, Lunan's analysis played a significant role in shaping the narrative surrounding the Black Knight satellite. His story, combined with the ongoing mystery of LDEs, provided fertile ground for conspiracy theorists to weave a compelling narrative about an ancient alien spacecraft observing Earth. While Lunan's interpretation of LDEs has been largely debunked, it serves as a reminder of the powerful allure of extraterrestrial explanations and the importance of rigorous scientific scrutiny when evaluating such claims. Section 6 STS-88, a thermal blanket reignites the myth. In December 1998, NASA conducted the STS-88 mission, the first space shuttle flight to the International Space Station, or ISS. During this mission, astronauts captured several photographs of what appeared to be a large black object in low Earth orbit. These images quickly spread online, reigniting the Black Knight satellite conspiracy and breathing new life into the decades-old myth. Proponents of the Black Knight theory claimed that the object in the STS-88 photographs was definitive proof of the elusive alien spacecraft. They argued that its size, shape, and unusual movements were inconsistent with known space debris or satellites. The images, often grainy and out of focus, added to the air of mystery and fueled speculation about the object's true nature. However, NASA was quick to debunk these claims. After analyzing the images and consulting with mission specialists, they identified the object as a thermal blanket that had become detached during the mission. Astronauts had been working on installing insulation on the nascent space station, and one of the blankets used for this purpose had drifted away. Despite NASA's clear explanation, the Black Knight theory persisted, with many conspiracy theorists refusing to accept the official explanation. The STS-88 incident highlights the enduring power of belief over evidence, particularly when dealing with emotionally charged topics like extraterrestrial life. Even with clear and convincing explanations from reputable sources, conspiracy theories can thrive on doubt, speculation, and the human desire for extraordinary explanations. Section 7. NASA's perspective, debunking the Black Knight. NASA, the world's leading space exploration agency, has consistently debunked the Black Knight satellite theory. Their stance is rooted in scientific evidence and a thorough understanding of orbital mechanics and space debris. NASA maintains that all purported evidence of the Black Knight can be attributed to misinterpretations of natural phenomena, space debris, or hoaxes. One of the key arguments against the Black Knight's existence is the lack of any credible observations by professional astronomers or space agencies worldwide. If a large, unknown object were indeed orbiting Earth for centuries, it would have been detected and tracked by multiple independent sources. The fact that only grainy photographs and anecdotal accounts support its existence raises serious doubts about its authenticity. Furthermore, NASA emphasizes that the space environment is littered with debris from previous missions ranging from defunct satellites to spent rocket stages. These objects can remain in orbit for extended periods, posing potential hazards to active spacecraft. It is highly probable that the objects mistaken for the Black Knight are simply pieces of this space debris, tumbling through space in unpredictable ways. James Oberg, a former NASA engineer and space journalist, has been particularly vocal in debunking the Black Knight myth. He attributes its persistence to a combination of factors, including a lack of public understanding about space operations, the human tendency to perceive patterns where none exist, and the allure of conspiracy theories that offer simple explanations for complex phenomena. Section 8. UAPs and the search for extraterrestrial life. The recent surge in interest surrounding unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs, formerly known as UFOs, has indirectly fueled the Black Knight conspiracy. Some proponents of the Black Knight theory attempt to draw connections between UAP sightings and the alleged alien spacecraft. They argue that the Black Knight might be part of a larger fleet of extraterrestrial vehicles observing Earth. However, it's crucial to distinguish between UAPs and the Black Knight myth. While UAPs represent genuine, unexplained observations that warrant scientific investigation, the Black Knight theory lacks any credible evidence. NASA's 2023 report on UAPs, while acknowledging the existence of unexplained aerial phenomena, found no evidence to suggest extraterrestrial origins. The report emphasizes the need for more data and rigorous scientific analysis to determine the nature of UAPs. It calls for improved data collection methods, standardized reporting procedures, and collaboration between government agencies and the scientific community. The report highlights NASA's commitment to addressing this issue through a scientific lens, separating genuine, unexplained phenomena from speculation and conspiracy theories. While the search for extraterrestrial life continues to captivate the human imagination, it's essential to approach such topics with a healthy dose of skepticism and rely on verified scientific information. The Black Knight satellite, despite its enduring popularity in conspiracy circles, remains a fictional entity with no basis in reality. Section 9. Exploring the Cosmos, Real Discoveries and Ongoing Research. While conspiracy theories like the Black Knight satellite capture the imagination, NASA remains focused on real discoveries and ongoing research that expand our understanding of the cosmos. From exploring Mars with rovers to studying distant galaxies with powerful telescopes, NASA continues to push the boundaries of human knowledge and inspire future generations of scientists and explorers. One example of NASA's groundbreaking work is the 2024 discovery of Earth's ambipolar electric field by the Endurance mission. This discovery, unrelated to the Black Knight, is crucial for understanding atmospheric dynamics and how particles escape from our planet's atmosphere. The ambipolar electric field plays a vital role in shaping the structure and evolution of planetary atmospheres, providing insights into the potential habitability of other worlds. NASA's ongoing research extends far beyond our solar system. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, is providing unprecedented views of the early universe, allowing scientists to study the formation of galaxies and the birth of stars. These observations are revolutionizing our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. By focusing on verifiable data, rigorous scientific methods, and a spirit of exploration, NASA continues to unravel the mysteries of the universe. While the allure of conspiracy theories may persist, it is through genuine scientific inquiry and a commitment to evidence-based knowledge that we can truly comprehend the vastness and wonder of the cosmos.